Tekmetric versus Alldata. Which auto repair software is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two popular tools used in the auto repair industry, Tekmetric and Alldata. While they both help shop owners and technicians, they serve very different purposes. So if you're wondering which one you need or if you should use both, this breakdown will help you decide. Now let's dive in. What is Tekmetric? Tekmetric is a cloud-based auto repair shop management software. It's built to help shop owners run their day-to-day operations with features like repair order management, digital vehicle inspection, estimates and invoicing, parts and labor tracking, and customer communication and real-time reporting. It's an all-in-one solution for managing your shop from front desk to bay. On the other hand, what is Alldata? Alldata, on the other hand, is an automotive repair information platform. It's used by technicians to access OEM repair procedures, technical service bulletins, and diagnosis trouble codes, also wiring diagrams and labor times, and maintenance schedules. In short, Alldata tells you how to fix the car, not how to manage your shop. Now, if we were to talk about some core differences of both platforms, for instance, main focus, when it comes onto Alldata, their main focus is repair and diagnostics information, while Tekmetric, on the other hand, is a shop management platform, so that is their main focus. When it comes onto repair orders, you'll get access to repair orders on Tekmetric, but unfortunately you will not get access to that on Alldata. Another standout feature when it comes onto Tekmetric is their digital inspections, as you'll get access to digital inspections using Tekmetric, but that feature is not available on Alldata. On the contrary, the OEM repair data is available on Alldata, but it is not available on Tekmetric. And you'll be able to create invoices and estimates using Tekmetric, but you won't be able to do that on Alldata. And when it comes onto labor times, you'll get a basic version with Tekmetric, and you'll get a more detailed version with Alldata. And also, if we were to talk about customer communication, there is no customer portal or communication option available with Alldata, but you'll get access to text and email communication via Tekmetric. Now, would it be possible to use both of them? Absolutely. In fact, they complement each other perfectly. For instance, use Alldata to diagnose and repair the vehicle with confidence. Then you will be able to manage the job and track parts and get customer approvals and invoice using Tekmetric. Some shops even integrate both tools side by side, Alldata at the technician level and Tekmetric at the front desk. And if we were to talk about ease of use, Tekmetric has a modern, intuitive interface. It's built for shop managers and service advisors to use all day, every day. While Alldata, on the other hand, is more technical and research heavy. It's used mostly by technicians who need to dig into wiring diagrams, service procedures, and torque specs. And if we were to compare them via pricing, starting with Tekmetric, as you can see right here, their monthly plan begins at $199. And it can go up to $439. Now, on the contrary, if we were to check out the pricing of Alldata, with Alldata, their pricing varies starting at $199 for Alldata repair, and additional charges for more bays, mobile access, or specialty modules, often bundled for multi-user shops. Now, if we were to talk about the pros and cons of both platforms, starting with Tekmetric, it is excellent for shop management, digital inspections and customer texting, and real-time reporting and ROI tracking. It is also easy for service writers and managers. The only pullback I would say is it doesn't include repair instructions and not a technical resource for techs. While Alldata, on the other hand, some pros and cons would be trusted source of OEM repair info, TSBs, recalls, wiring diagrams, and more, a must-have for accurate diagnosis, and not a business. The only pullback I would say is it is not a business management tool. An interface can be dated and harder to navigate for new users. So, who would I recommend to use Alldata? I would say you should use Alldata if you're a technician or diagnosis expert. It's essential when you need accurate OEM repair procedures, TSBs or wiring diagrams to get the job done right. While on the contrary, I would recommend you use Tekmetric if you're managing the business side of the shop. It's for shop owners, managers, and service advisors who want to streamline operations and deliver a better customer experience. Hope you found my comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.